2020 there nsɛm si wɔ hɔ papa nsɛm si wɔ yɛ afi 2020 mo aside COVID-19 ɛgye kyerɛ wɔ man yi mu no nneɛma ne one or two personalities bi nso gye wɔn din papa na ebi mfi a na ɛkɔ so yɛ papa no stagger na etiefoɔ ne papa no stagger kɔtwetwe nneɛma baayo na yɛn ne papa no stagger the source de bi efi de baayo na ɛkɔba sɛ Ghana fo ahwɛ ni mu a so wɔn de wɔn botae Ghana fo mu asɛm a kyerɛ sɛ wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn brɛbrɛ mu run and fin ratchet and the baby I won't sell them on a cobas and almost so dear. Woman, how many pa shares a wine any a yes tasty watching ne ban papa. Now, I know not just a Ghana for why you remoire and ever told just say, yes, tasty watching ne ban papa any a year Dr. Watting. Ah, a young one must say, just Dr. Watting or your way, Dr. Watting. Eba Ghana ha se wo pe akọ wo dwumedie bia wo body doctor wo tin a wo benye bi ene sen ne product ba ko agidin adonko bitters a just say the whole Africa obi enim doctor tin kra wo nim adonko bitters therefore Ghana for ni na one die na doctor wo tin kra si die ni a esan say doctor wo tin our young baby, Ghana most beautiful, Equia, and so obi a wo can be. Now, I say, Stacy Bachebano, Equia, Dr. Watimba, Diana, say Ghana for high woman, says I am same P because I may be a chemono. Now, Stacy Bacha, Ubehu, Equia, GMB. Now, I dear for any name on the year Cassay. Say make me some children me boy adonko bitters in na nim advert I'll do a chile pan adonko bitters no say advert no lady ba ko na wodi mu akotene pan Regina edu safua 2020 ni mu awone mra ekia GMB nini kunu Dr. Watting wo muntemu sakasaka bi PM a one year mama nam divorce kwan so na say tete for year kase say by this time ya ware no ati egu no nini name na safu aba out di nsem bia ba betu jana ne nsem a wo kan say awaruguo bebrebe ne awaruguo ne chi no yakwakoye Madam Stacy Amoaten yakoye no the managing of baby ana Equia GMP ehye no kyerese wono no ni mubi onimono na kyerese wawo nyoma se ama kyerese Ghana bodolo na so na wo mututu sa se Madam Stacy Amoaten ni mubi na after making revelations with brain mra Stacy Amoaten the managing or manage baby ana Equia ehye no just Ghana for so na wo monte wo mo ase na safa be make revelation so no contract bia na wo kan no Madam Stacy Amoaten ba na as contract no ye wo no efri mu no so mo sensem na ye video dodo na beto ja na ediefo ne ama makọ echi akọ abakasem akọ biebie nsem keka ba ne se Regina edu safua adonko bitters advert etenesi na mbika kan wa jimotone pano wa ba out the nsem bi abeto ja na nsem ne se ye papa wa mboji no papa no wo suse papa no wo si adonko bitters video ni mo no Kumewood actresses ni pa do me wo mo no papa no wo de wo chika fom chese wo de wo mo o de ne ho ka wo agise wo no Regina edu safo pe na chese papa no entu meni nenti sa nkitamo no na etiefo nsemu ya edu safo de betu ja video kan
magic. You know what I'm telling you is true. That advert gave us nothing. I decided to me papa sempa. It is hard dona me woma papa for no. I gave it to the man me on record again. Even anybody who even hates me around that advert will tell you the truth. I am one among the few girls papa na hu me hoda. So me no fumu so na me kwakoda. But most of these girls in Kuma would omone papa na kwawo. Do you understand what I'm saying? You should know, sir, we didn't go there for any public interest and I interest.
No,
my
question
was
were you paid? Because me, for instance, me have voiceover for telenovela. I'm being paid. And you say, come back to show.
You are saying an Makacho say, I don't have any contract with them.
Okay.
And yes, also you can do something out of love.
So it was a verbal contract. It was a verbal job.
My yebi, obi an send me what TV so Satan said we need to I will fair.
Okay.
Say why yebi. But what did they do for us?
So they don't own you.
No. So they should take my advert
no right for them to take their
no, other why not here? Your family China do suffer. It is my identity they're using.
Were you paid?
Paid for until I don't have a contract.
So you don't have a contract.
I don't have anything with them.
I get it. You're not no product.
Yeah.
And we advert.
Thank you.
Advert. You were in a way indirectly. You were paid some way. At least one free one kokeke.
Man free fan call.
Like Ucherians who went free one kokeke.
The
likes of Obi to say Lucky Mensa. What's not allowed you so winning no. Lucky Mensa the allowed your phone. You have a track clip. Opulo sumon we we are the one buy sport DJ Ashme be DJ na me a waitress and Lucky Mensa will buy coke for everyone. So and now still Lucky Mensa and you and free the clip man.
No.
In a way you were paid with the coke.
Relax here. One a good analysis, but at the end of the day, let me come in for you know Supreme Court right now.
Okay.
So what can petition? I mean, sure,
okay.
Say or the Lucky Mensa a video clip no which a musical.
Okay.
It won't
Drama
to make a lucky you won't come free adverting him. But this is a situation they are using my image across Africa. For what have you paid me? What you
you video series it was on their network.
I remember, yes. Yeah.
Wait, did you pay them?
Yes, I remember.
You did a butter trade.
Good, that's
good. So if you did a butter so you did a butter trade. You did a butter trade. Simply because you
Ebusiafo se we de entia na enuaba no e di aba betuja na enuaba ensem a walking a wakwa aka ko fasa nsem abepie mu se Dr. Watin Wamboji no obo papa no na so se ye kan efi asafo ani adonko bitesa na chew baby a keka ko na enuaba isusu wo mu se ye papa no de no mo ka obia agise wono pe woni bebrensu agogo no na again na ekeka ko na yenia be nsem ya wo kire mu yi nya wo gina so eka akoka sasem ne se wono no emra na yensa ka wo ma ye di wo mu yes a eye adonko business advert no sa no mu ni mu ye sa na chese emre bi a wo no mba TV student ye do ba TV student ni je kese pa wo akomemu na samre no wonu ede no hu ema eyesa eye advert no really a chese an shedan yet say eye contract form won agree on something na ebi adachi bi kra obenya hu eye insurance bi ana bibisa na mo sa time ne dey na eye out of love na se si an jina fo ne say ebe ye adonko advert na wo mu bi no ye yi ni size ni film Esa to susu say there be woman nya hwe mfiri ebi mu nya nse na munye free mu ebi mu papa no ni wo mo dae mama wo we free mu na side that no say munye sike free mu wo mo de wo mo free mu de wo hu ne say ebi ensi na ebi nso nya nsi ye ai wo mreko a advert no buso circulate a de ni mu de mu ba ya che say wono eya regina edu safo ano image and number bia na so wo sha eyesisie wo nya hwemfa free mu etetefo wo share interview na course na wo mo so den se bitu dwa se samre no na wo ni basisi a wo do series bi so to wo mu dwa so a na se wo mu di wa koto ne fama o si there bi na better trade so no mpo ne se a no mo ye free so nti wo no woni mu de nti so o te no wa se one contract be and say still say wo nenim adonko bitters advert and no tina nearby make revelations way dey about to the for mama yen share nsem mu se ekoba se nearby regina edu safo ansem ya working and crap na etiefo ne kwanso ano no wutimi hu se se papa no ayenia be se ko nia Ghana for do na ni mu na se wo jire no mu a che se anka bema be ware ba ko na so papa yi wo mu doso nti anka no ano no na ekoba se na yesi station bo acha yesi ne ba na ye wo ba eba we ya yesi ana che se etiefo ensamo na asefem na yen show nia yen ba propose ya wodi abetu dwe ya wono no wo tutu se yen yi ni free adonko bitters advert man na se be ya won pese obehu se advert e hu nanim wo mu no ne kwanso wa no se wo ni obi be sign na echire no sign am sign ye no wada no we chi pese enyoma bi ekọ the way ya wo pe no eboa ana emboa jawadwenchire to comment section FMI. Subscribe to Too Much GH and Too Much Too Much GH if you get cases in the video. I'm only one on second note to me actually. Like to share a promote a channel media any Mexico back up. When I'm thinking it's only ever soon, that's ne the best Asia Macau.